What if no matter what happens to you, you still have one thing no one can take away? Your choice. And what if that one choice can determine whether you stay trapped in pain or become free? In this video, I'm sharing powerful lessons and my personal reflections from The Choice by Edith Eva Eger. This is not just a book. It's a deeply moving story of survival, healing, and the power of the human mind. The main message of this book is, you cannot always control what happens to you. But you can always choose how you respond. Even in the darkest moments, you still have the power to choose your mindset. Dr. Eger teaches that painful experiences do not define you. What happened to you is real, but it doesn't have to control your future. You can acknowledge your pain without becoming it. Stop labeling yourself by your past. Separate who you are from what happened. Focus on who you want to become. Your past is part of your story, not your identity. One of the most powerful ideas. The biggest prison is not outside, it's inside your mind. Holding on to anger, fear, or guilt keeps you stuck. Freedom begins when you change your thinking. Notice limiting thoughts, challenge negative beliefs, replace them with empowering perspectives. Your mindset shapes your reality. Forgiveness is not about others, it's about freeing yourself. Holding on to resentment keeps you trapped. Acknowledge your pain honestly. Decide to let go. Even if it's difficult, understand forgiveness is a process. Forgiveness creates emotional freedom. You may not be responsible for what happened, but you are responsible for how you move forward. Stop blaming your past for everything. Focus on what you can control today. Take small actions toward growth. Responsibility gives you power. Many people are harsh on themselves, especially after pain. But healing requires kindness. Talk to yourself with understanding. Accept that healing takes time. Be patient with your progress. Self-compassion is strength, not weakness. Even suffering can lead to growth. You can turn pain into purpose. Reflect on what your experiences taught you. Use your story to help others. Focus on growth instead of suffering. Meaning transforms pain into strength. The Choice teaches us this. Freedom is not about what happens to you. It's about the choices you make every day. When you choose courage, healing, and growth, you take back control of your life. If this message resonated with you, comment "I choose freedom" below as a reminder to take control of your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs hope and strength. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.